Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about on how you can get refund on Roblox. So what you want to do is first press on the gear icon and go to settings. And if you're on a mobile, you just want to head over to settings. Once inside settings, you just want to go over to billing, right? And from here, what you want to do is click please see the billing help pages. What you want to do is head over to the billing help pages. Once you're over here, as you can see, unauthorized charges and refund requests, what you want to do is press over here. Now over here, you're gonna have a few settings like blah blah blah. Possible we work with parents and customers directly as part of her whatever. And then when reporting charges, this is just gonna show you on how to make refunds on Google Play app, Windows app, and Xbox. So what you want to do is go over here and need more help. What you want to do is press over here. Once you're over here, select in your name, your first name, email address, confirm your email, select the issue that I'm from a PC, select the type, billing and payments, select the type, cancel, purchase decline, unauthorized charged, and then just tell them that you made a false purchase and that you would like your V-Bucks back and that it wasn't intentional, or just blame it on something like your cousin did it and you didn't want to spend that much V-Bucks, and yeah, they're gonna refund you your money back. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.